this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and you have reached me on Thursday. Today we are doing a sugar manicure, which I did every other nail already, and these are just going to be regular neon orange. I was digging through my nail tote of all my goodies, and I found this beautiful, beautiful neon orange mix. And it moved me. It really inspired me that I had to use it. So, hence the sugar nail. I think this is really super cute. I do love a sugar nail. It just speaks to me. Love it, love it, love it. On these nails, I'm going to be putting decals. Butterfly decals. So I'm going to be using the Grip Gel by She Modern. Let me plug in my lamp. Because we are going to pop these in the lamp, cure them for 30. And we're going to put some butterfly decals on the nail. Man, oh day. Man, oh man, oh man. So I hope your day is finding you well. I hate to pull a rant on you, but I had lost 3 subscribers within less than a 24-hour period. And it really bummed me out greatly. So if it was you, shame on you. Shame, shame, shame on you. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp, 30 seconds. I have already got my butterfly decals off to the side here. I'm going to be using my Maniology Ice Cube stamper to pick them up. This stamper is really super cute. It's tiny, and I love it. I am an ambassador for Maniology, as a few other companies. Down in the description box, you will find my list of 10% off codes. Feel free to use them. Maniology is one of them. There's just a slew of them down there for you to use. People have asked me lately, do I have a code for She Modern? She Modern does not give out codes to anyone. All the girls that you see doing PR work for them, that's just it. We do not get 10% off codes to use. So yeah, that's just how it goes. We got Maniology down there. There is, oh my god, I'm having a brain fart. You would think I'd be able to know off the top of my head who I have and who I don't. Roll it over, pick it up, dab off on something lint-free. And looky how beautiful. Get your little silicone tool out. I'm going to dab my finger across it. Make sure there is no air or water bubbles. We're going to do the same thing with the ring finger. This is going to be a quick and easy manicure today. There we go, there we go. Get some of the water off. Make sure there are no air or water bubbles. Excuse me for reaching. Here are our 2 nails. Look at how cute those look. For the neon orange, we use number 280. It is the neon orange by Beetles. I was using the Grip Gel by She Modern. And for the top coat, I am using Diva in a Bottle by Princess Nails Diana. I've recently placed an order with her and got, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 colors and 2 top coats. It was in great need of top coats. So, got that done. I am no longer in need of top coats. There, so I'll be good to go on top coats for a while. I got the ones from iGel Beauty. Love, love, love this. Love, love, love. Love her top coat. Love, love, love it. Check out Diva in a Bottle, her brand, her line. Get a hold of Princess Nails by Diana. I put those in the lamp, cure those for $60. And our manicure is going to be complete. The sugar nails you don't do anything to. You're done. You can apply your grip gel. You can apply base coat, cure it, sprinkle your sugar all over the nail, tap the nail off. What I do is I re-cure it, and then I wipe it off with the brush. When you wipe it off with the brush after that second time, you should not have nothing coming off. It should be set down in your glue. Cuckoo-choo. That's just it. This is a simple, simple, easy, beautiful manicure to do. Easy breezy. No fuss, no muss. Do your 3 sugar nails or however you want to do it. I made a boo-boo. I wanted to put some bling. Which means I need to re-cure. I need to re-top coat, re-cure this. Oh, I can't believe I forgot. Too busy bumping my gums about top coats. Push you a few sporadically along the way. Oh, excuse me, I got so snotty runny nose this morning. Okay. Can't believe I forgot the bling. No manicure is complete without the bling. No bling, you're not done. That's just a given. If you have no bling on your mani, you are not done. You are not done. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It always is, was, and always will be free. So check out my channel. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you were here. Especially you newbies. You're stopping through, not saying hello. And I'd really like to talk to you. Let me know that you were here. Let me know what you thought. I'd appreciate that. I really would. Get to know you a little bit. So here we are. I'm going to pop this in. Give it a full cure for 60. And we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back fresh out of the oven. As I always say, our manicure is done. It is complete. So let me know down in the comments what you think. Are you into the sugar nails? Would you just like to look at them? I think I'd like to wear them, not just look at them, but I think this turned out really super cute with the bling and the butterfly. Even without the bling, I think this, could be a very elegant manicure. You could top the coat the sugars if you want. You don't have to have them as a sugar nail. I did on my practice nail. I top coated. It gives you the hollow effect, like. And I had black butterflies on there, but they wouldn't lay flat, so I did not use them. They were kind of lumpy and bumpy. So that's why I went with what I did. Well, this is the conclusion of our video for today. I will see you next time on She Modern Saturday. Please check out my giveaways. I have 2 running right now. One is for first commenters. So if you're a first commenter, sound off with the hashtag notification squad. That way I know it was you. And whoever's first, I will pin your comment. And then in a month's time, I think September 1st I said, I will draw a winner out of the first commenters. I will put them in a hat. I'm not using the comment picker for this one. I will put you in a hat. Draw me a winner. Good luck everybody on that. Our manicure is finished. I think this is really super cute for summer. Too bad I didn't have pink. Pink, pink, pink. Or blue. Blue, blue, blue. Or royal blue, sapphire blue would be beautiful. Anyways, we have come to the conclusion of our video. Put your caps on your polishes. Don't leave them laying there like I just did. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.